Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to clear calculator history on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Apple has introduced new and improved features to the iOS 18 calculator, including the ability to see your iPhone calculator history. You can also clear calculator history partially or entirely. For this, you need to open your calculator, tap the list icon to see the calculator history, tap Edit to edit the calculator history, tap the circles next to the listings you want to delete, tap Delete to clear the calculator history, and you're done. Now you know how to check and clear the calculator history on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.